The citizens of the country, Mr. President, are afraid of the government. You embraced a song called Government Badness, Andrew Holness, not me. So you speak to the things you embrace, not me. Not me. I am also aware, Mr. President, no, but the pastor is just a exaggerated reality. It's not the first. It's not the first. Many who have criticized Mr. Holness have been arrested and publicized on the internet.
Mr. President, on a point of order. On a point of order. I can give examples. On a point of order, Mr. President.
Senator.
On a point of order, Mr. President. On a point of order, Mr. President, this senator is misleading the House, and he must withdraw those allegations. They are untrue. They are untrue. They are baseless, and they should be withdrawn. They should not remain on the record of this honourable chamber.
Mr. President, today is not the day.
Senator Crawford, look now, you heard what the minister
I heard,
said.
Mr. President, and I can guide her today.
Senator Brown,
I can guide her
please,
to social.
1 minute. 1 minute. Senator Brown. You have a right to dissent, but you do it in order. Senator Crawford, you have made an allegation about the Prime Minister of this country. You're going to either withdraw it or you're going to substantiate it.
No, sir. I made no allegations. I said people who criticize the Prime Minister has been arrested. I did not suggest. No, I'm saying that I'll direct you to social media. I'll direct you to social media where they consistently post.
Senator Crawford.
Mr. President.
Senator Crawford, 1 minute. Senator Crawford, 1 minute.
Mr. President.
Clear.
What he's saying in any event is still misleading and seeking to imply. There has been nobody who has been arrested for criticizing the Prime Minister. None.
All right, I'll move on.
The noted incidents is not because of criticizing the Prime Minister. Why the person broke the law, went to court and was prosecuted and charged.
You're being unreasonable, Senator. I'm not speaking to a person.
All right, Senator Crawford.
Anyone you wish to speak to. Be responsible, man.
No, I can speak to an individual, Mr. President, who had to come on the social media and apologize.
Senator Crawford, I am not concerned about what is happening in the social media, you know. I'm concerned about what is happening here, and you are imputing motive to a member of the House of Parliament.
Mr. President.
You have stood up and said that anybody, hold on, hear what you said. Anybody that criticizes the Prime Minister is arrested. Is that true?
Mr. President.
Is that true?
I am saying that, all right. Mr. President, all right, fine. Mr. President, let's move on. Mr. President. Mr. President.
Sir, Mr. President,
Senator Crawford, 1 minute.
I've never done this before. This is my second term in the Senate, and I've never done this before. We have to remember that we have an international audience also. That statement is very damaging, not only to the Prime Minister, but to the country of Jamaica.
Mr. President, I will move on. Because there is no... Listen. Mr. President.
Mr. President, I think that we have reached the point where you should make a ruling on the matter that is before you. And if the senator proceeds, then you should use your authority under the standing orders to discontinue his presentation.
Mr. President, on a point of order, go on, please.
Senator Crawford, you know you can put a stop to this very easily, though.
Mr. President, I'm really not sure what it is Senator Crawford is being asked to withdraw.